Alright, we're gonna start up the Homelite. It's frozen to the ground. Yeah, it's cold out here. There's ice on the fireplace. Yeah, it's ice. Alright, it's a Homelite Yard Broom 2, 170 mile an hour blower. Good blower, got it for free, like everything else. I'm going to sit you down inside this. I've got a long camera so it doesn't sit down on the ground. So I'm going to sit in this. It kind of props you up like that. It hasn't been started for a while. It's also my redneck bellow. If you guys know what a bellow is, it blows on fire to make fire bigger. To put it in layman's terms. So, yeah, the throttle's not frozen. That's good. It's got fuel in it. That's good. Primer up here. There we go. Got some fuel in the carb now. Let's see. Choke. Oh. It's cold. That's your cutoff switch. It's got a cruise control also. You push this back and it stays at one idle, or you just got your throttle. And I really like that because you've either got your throttle here or you've got a cruise control. Most have either just this or just that. Most don't have both. Now you got to give this thing credit. It's got a brand new carb kit and everything in it. Runs really good. It's 5 degrees out here. Second pole for a 2-cycle. That's pretty darn good. I'm going to put it in my shed now so it's not sitting out in the weather. But yeah, for a 2-cycle, that's pretty darn good. It was frozen to the ground like you guys saw. So yeah, it runs great. Complained a little bit, but wouldn't you complain a little bit too if you were a 2-cycle and you had to start up at 5-degree weather? And yes, I can't feel my hands. As you can see, they are red. They hurt. I can't feel them. But I'm out here for you guys. I'm out here for YouTube. Making these videos and, getting these things done. You guys want to see a video? I make it. Whether or not it's freaking cold out here or not. Alrighty. So that's the cold start of the Homelite Yard Broom 2. Hope you guys have a good day. See you later, YouTube. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, I like the thumbs up down here. I greatly appreciate that if you give me thumbs up. Hate asking for it, but gotta remind you guys, if you guys want to give me thumbs up, go ahead and do that. That'd be great. Comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you later, YouTube. Bye.